Panda Express has a plant-based orange chicken. I have never heard of such. I'm not gonna lie, I am super excited to go try this out. Give me a sec. I'm gonna ride down the street real quick. We're gonna go pick up this thing and we're gonna try it together. But if this is your first time here, can you do me a favor? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you watch this video, go ahead and give me a like. It doesn't cost a thing. Nobody's gonna ask you for a debit or credit card. It's really that simple. You take your finger, you go over to the side and you hit the button. You get what I'm saying? Super easy, but I knew you could do it. Give me a sec.
Only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed.
This smells so freaking good. I cannot wait. So this is my very first time, and actually earlier I said it was Impossible Chicken. It is not Impossible Chicken, it's Beyond. You know, sometimes I get my words mixed up, but just don't worry about it. So let's take a look at this. Oh my goodness, look at that. It looks so good. This is my very first time trying the fried rice. I usually just get the lo meins, that's it. I don't usually eat anything else out of here. But I wanted to try the Beyond Orange Chicken. And then I wanted to try the, I think it's called Honey Walnut Shrimp. Yeah, so look at that. The Honey Walnut Shrimp. Look at that. I'm going to try this first. And look at the walnuts, though. Look, is that a whole walnut? No, that's a Beyond. Sorry. I was going to say that's an odd looking walnut, but look, that looks so good. Oh my God, let's try it. I want to say that's a green onion. I am really impressed. We might just be sitting here for a minute. That honey walnut shrimp. Let me tell you something. This is good. Really good. It's sweet. It almost has a little bit of a citrus like taste to it. I love walnuts, y'all. I love nuts, but that is so freaking good. Now let me try the rice, because again, this is my first time trying their fried rice. I always get the lo mein noodles, but my son had the fried rice and he said it was really good. It is good. Yeah. That's really good. I need to know, is Panda Express an American Chinese restaurant, or is it a Chinese restaurant? I don't know. Wow, this is so good. I don't think I can stop eating this rice. Let me tell you guys something. I'm not a big rice fan, unless it's like a seasoned rice. Like, I can't just eat rice. It has to be like really good and like some kind of specialty rice. All right, we are getting ready to try the Beyond Chicken, the Beyond Orange Chicken. Here we go. So just in case you didn't know, Beyond Chicken is plant-based. Guys. This is what I'm talking about. I think I want to cry. Oh my God.
Here are the nominees for Best Supporting Actress. I'm so intrigued, I can't even keep my eyes open. I'm going to show you guys real close what this looks like, because this, if you are someone who is a vegetarian or a vegan and you like to indulge in like plant-based meats, which I rarely ever do, I like just regular food, but I do like to try out certain things for reviews just so I can know what they taste like. But let me show you guys. Can you see the coating on the outside? It's crispy and very flavorful. However, this is what makes this delicious, because I've tried some Beyond meats before, like Beyond Chicken, or if you all have not seen the one I did with the KFC, the chicken nuggets, I didn't like that. It was very dense. These are not dense. These are not dense at all. They're actually very light. I'm gonna bite into one so we can see the inside. It's actually very airy. It may look dense on the camera, but I promise you it's not. This is why I like this. This is very light and airy, and it kind of got me questioning if this is really the Beyond or if this is real chicken, because this does not taste like plant-based chicken.
You don't find that suspicious? You don't find that suspicious?
I feel like if you're gonna do a dish like this is how you do it. So whoever their chemists are or their recipe specialists are, they did this right. It has been an absolute pleasure to have you guys sit here with me while I try this Beyond Orange Chicken from Panda Express for the very first time, and their rice and their walnut shrimp. Keep hustling, be humble, and remember, this is your reality. Get into this Panda Express Beyond Orange Chicken. But I gotta go. Bye. Make sure you follow me on TikTok at Pansy Rowe, on Instagram at Pansy Rose Reality, and support the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing.